So being a part of this program has helped me realize that my tech degree isn't just a ticket for, a high-paying job. It's also a collection of really life-changing experiences.
What I think progress in service means to me has changed throughout this trip, and I realized that the people in my internship really strive to not only make a short-term impact, but have long-term impacts on the families that they work with, and that you don't have to really start big and touch millions of people or even the whole world, but that you can start small and make little changes that can still have a really big impact. Through the study abroad, I got to explore concepts like degrowth, and through my internship work at Biofilter, I learned how different organizations take different paths towards sustainability. It made me realize that even the smallest of changes can have the biggest long-term impacts.
It's truly been inspiring going to these different site visits and seeing how these organizations grow their impact from the ground up.
In this environment, I was able to step out of my comfort zone, ask questions, solve problems, and communicate effectively and efficiently, which is what I hope to continue in my future career.
This trip has really showed me that taking the step to talk to and listen with others is what builds community and understanding, especially among different cultures. Getting to learn about the applications of nonprofit in class and then getting to actually work with those nonprofits has been incredible, and I think it's changed my view of my Georgia Tech degree because it makes me think of the good that I want to do with that degree.
One thing that the study abroad has taught me is to learn how to take it all in, slow down, and really find out what I'm passionate about in the workforce. Learning about social enterprises while also working in a social enterprise has really made everything click together.
Being on this program changed my mindset on the Georgia Tech motto, progress and service, to more of a long-term timetable, as I think our goal as a society should be to leave this world as a better place for the next generation.
It's one thing to learn in the classroom, to do case studies or hear from speakers, but to be out here, to see the impact and the mission of our organizations is a whole nother experience. I think that the in-person, hands-on experiences that we get through this Leadership for Social Good program really gives us a whole eye-opening experience, and I feel so lucky to be a part of it and to be able to make meaningful, impactful change in the world around me.